Welcome to another video, guys. Today, I'm excited for this one. As you can see, we are opening up basically the set that I decided, okay, today, we're going to jump fully into Pokemon again. Celebrations definitely got me into it. Everybody knows, for me, my top 3 sets were Brilliant Stars, Celebrations, and Crown Zenith. We're just going to take you guys through. So these are just the main ones, main sets and Brilliant Stars. Yes, the missing spots are just the reverse hollows, which I probably do have somewhere. It's been a while since I've gone through Brilliant Stars. So as you can see, we are definitely missing a lot of Brilliant Stars. But trainer our galleries, we do have a lot of the trainer art galleries done. We're only missing, I think, 3 or 4 from the trainer art galleries, but we are missing some of the higher ends here. We did pull the number 1, the Charizard. But yeah, enough of that. You guys are probably like, dude, we don't care about that. Get to the box. All right. So we're getting to the box. So we are going to open this one. Booster boxes of these right now go for, I don't know, I think they're pushing 2 or getting close to 2. This one got damaged, so hence why we're definitely opening up this one. Slide that back there, because if you guys can't see, we got a few other ones. So we got ours that we're gonna keep away for a while, along with a couple Lost Origins up there and some other ones. But yeah, I remember opening like three of these booster boxes right away. It was nuts. Darkness. I forgot Baratic is not a rare in Brilliant Stars. It's Crown Zenith, Raulu, and a Breland. Everything's kind of crisscross for me right now. I'm trying to figure out where to put everything. I need to get new lights. That's what I really need to get. Obviously, you guys can see the light right here. You gotta get smaller ones to make it a lot easier. Actually, we're probably just gonna throw them wherever. All right, Grass Energy, come on. Crawdon, Ultra Ball, Tropius, Snow Run, come on, Clink, Dedede, Cubchoo, Duskull, to a Dusclops. Okay. Charizard V is not bad. I think we're just foreshadowing something now. We're just foreshadowing. Hopefully you guys are having a great week. I know I am. Not sure when this video is actually going to go out. I know I'm traveling here. Turbo, Primpulp, Sharon's, Purloin, Sneasel, Corfish, Magmar. Ooh, Garchomp Hollow. But yeah, like I said, this is probably I think this is my top set in Sword and Shield. And remember, white code card isn't bad. You can still get trainer art galleries, which includes the Charizard. Because that's how I pulled mine. Ooh, okay. Foreshadow to a Dusknoir. SQ. It was just cut weird. That's why I was like, wait, what's going on? Not bad. We've only not hit out of one, I believe. So that's not too bad. Technically, because you gotta remember, Holos in here is technically still a hit, because this is before they screwed up and switched it to let's make everything a holo. Which I don't know why they did that, but sock. Cherubi. Come on, Starly. Barbaro. That is never a good sign. A double rare. Although I feel like there are some reverses that I still need, as you guys can see. But we are hitting good code cards here. Alright, we got Psychic, Sigalith, Choice Belt, Turtwig, Trapinch, Shroomish, Purloin, to a Grimer, to a... Okay. A Shaman V Full Art. Solid, beautiful card. Loving it. I am loving it. Like McDonald's. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm just kidding. I'm hungry. That's why. I am very hungry. But yeah, I was very excited to open this set again. I remember when I really got back into it with my dad, me and him, we opened up a few of these right away together. Axu, Nose Pass, ooh, Tornadus, that's not a good sign. Yeah. Typically, you don't get much when you get a rare reverse holo. What I am hoping, though, which would be sweet, is to have a huge miscut card where it has part of the next card on it. That's one of my goals, to pull one. Spiritomb. Come on, Fingers, burn me. Grimmsnarl. Ooh, Wormadam. Wormadam. What do we got left? We halfway through? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are almost halfway through. I mean, there's got to be... You'd think there's got to be a Charizard. Another one in here. Yeah, that one's really miscut. Sorry. Rattle. Berry. Klein. Shroomish. Turtwig. Come on. Vibrow to a King Klein. We are pulling a lot of reverse holo rares, though, which is not bad either, especially with the sets going up. Sets going up, reverse holo rares is definitely a good thing to have. Oh my goodness, that reverse holo, whatever's in that reverse slot is damage. Oh, okay, I see something. Team Yell. Come on. Please don't be a V-Star. Or if it's a V-Star, be the rainbow. Come on. Electabuzz. Throw. Come on. I know we have something. Oh, okay. I'll still take that, though. Barry is still solid. Full art trainer. Still a full art trainer. So that's our second full art. Left side's not looking too bad. We've slowed up a little bit. Only one V, only one trainer gallery, 2 full arts, a lot of holos. I know it's not like Crown where you get a lot of trainer art galleries, but Kindler, Cafe, Goodbite, Gibble, Trapinch, Execute. Whoops. To Destiny to Eternities. Whoops. Wrong stack. Wrong stack. Alright, what we got left? 7. Sorry. Felt like the mic was. It should be good. Felt like the mic was on my skin for a second. Didn't want you guys listening to scratching noises, so. Alright. Can we get our second trainer gallery? Probopass, Nose Pass. It devolved. Shinx. Farfetch. Alright, we got a upside down Goodbite. I'd be happy with a rainbow Charizard. Alright, we got a second V coming up. I know that. Primpulp. Cleansing. Electabuzz. Looch. Well, we got a double. Apparently my hands just didn't want to work. So we got an Airdos 2. Wow. Pulling another RCSV. That's solid. That's huge. Another full art and a trainer art gallery. Come on. Picking it up. Picking up. Such a beautiful card. There we go. I think the light's better like that. Such a beautiful card. Alright, get these out of the way. What do we got left? We still have 5 packs left on the left side. That's kind of crazy. Another good code card. I don't remember if that was a good code card or not. That's okay. That is quite okay. Crawdont. Those are really cut weird. Carablast, Clefairy, Cherubi, Sulk. Come on, fingers. Corfish, Clefable, yeah. Ooh, Infinite. Clefable, Reverse, Hollow, Rare. But yeah, this set brings back a lot of good memories of starting to collect again with my dad. Just because when I was younger, that's what we would do. After, baseball games, basketball games, we would go to Shinders. I would look around at the sports cards for a little bit, but eventually wind up over at Pokemon. And I would just grab a lot of singles, base set, Team Rocket, Fossil. And then grab some packs. That's kind of what me and my dad do now. Not really after sports games and stuff, but definitely open packs together. Hitmontop, Sneasel, Corfish, Magmar, Starly. Whoops, did it again. Goodbite into Honchkrovi. For some reason, I thought that was going to be different. It's like, I'm not even going to complain. I kind of expected more Vs, but all the Vs that we're getting are full arts. Or, yeah, they've all been the full art Vs, which is amazing. So, definitely not going to complain on that. We got Team Yell, Marnie's Pride, come on, go lit, Chimchar, Beltoy, Raulu, Heatran. Alright, last pack on the left side. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this. I don't normally open up too many booster boxes on the channel. We have been, I guess, doing it a lot more lately. especially nowadays, just because booster boxes have been way better than ETBs and booster bundles. So, Shroomish, Purloin, Duskull, Burmy to a Flygon. So that's not bad. The right side is gonna have to. They're gonna have to pull some weight here. I mean, right off the bat, Honchkrow, Charizard, RCSV, to a Berry full art, to a Shaman V full art, and then only 2 Trainer Art Galleries. So I mean, 7 hits. Not the greatest. I mean, there were a lot of hollows. Don't get me wrong, there was a lot of hollows. So I mean, if we're counting hollows as hits, being that it is Sword and Shield era, pull rate was actually really good. If we're going hollows as hits, so Freshwater, Gibble, Turtwig, Piplup, ooh, Sneasel to a Moltres. Kind of figured there wasn't going to be anything. I accidentally fanned it out too much. There's got to be another Charizard in here. There's got to be one more Charizard in here. Weavile, Fracture, Starly, Piplup. Come on, Turtwig. Wormadam 2. Okay, RCSV coming out to play again. Not bad, not bad. Get the scissors out of here. Can't complain. Like I said, if we're counting hollows as hits, I mean, we're definitely over 50%. That's for sure. As far as hit rate goes, or good code card goes, so. Tropius, Execute, come on, fingers. Sneasel, Bidoof. Ooh, Dusknoir, we already know. Do a Golurk. But we're looking for Charizard alternate. Oh. Ooh. Hopefully it's not in this one. The back of those cards are just beat up. Grimer, Sneasel, Bidoof, Chimcho, yep, Magmar to a Clefable. I knew right off the bat. Half the times you can tell that it's not going to be anything special, because if the cards are beat up on the back, alright, I think we might have jinxed ourselves here. We're getting too many white code cards now. Alright, Collapse, Hitmontop, Magma, Spiritomb. Come on, Magmar. Riolu, Ibidip, to a Breloom. Unless if that means Charizard's gonna peek its way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Oops. 13 packs left. We're almost halfway through the right side. Ooh. There's a little something. I don't think it's a V. There's a little something peeking in the back. Come on. There's a little something in the back. Goodbye. Torkoal, Axew, Impidimp, Magmar, Riolu. Come on, Burmy. Electabuzz. Come on. Give me something fire right now. Oh, wow. We're doing good, guys. We are doing good on the right side. We're just, yeah. We're just saving the best to last. That's what it is. Saving the best to last. Just kind of, it's a little crazy that more trainer art galleries haven't popped out, but you know. Oh, that one's really crooked and cut weird. All right, Execute, Grimer, Sneasel, Doof, Muck, 2L Creamy. All right, 2 more, and we're halfway through. All right, good cold card. Come on. We need that luck. Ooh, that back card. That back card looks solid as far as cut wise. Freshwater, Calf, Clefairy, Cherubi. Come on, Sock. Corefish, to a Grimer, to a Moltres. Dang. It looked crispy. Alright. We are now we're slowing down too much now. We are slowing down way too much. 2 V's. That is all we have pulled on the right side. Sigilyph, Clink, Dedenne. Come on, Duskull. Yeah. Alright. Was it worth it to open this box? That's the question. I mean, let's be real. It was damaged. Probably wasn't going to get much for it, so. Tropius, Impidimp, Raoult, Starly. Oh no. Oh no. That's a silver and black border. Is it coming out to play? Is it coming out to play? Oh. Oh, I forgot Pikachu is the same one too. Yeah. We'll take a full art Pikachu. Oh, I completely forgot. I guess they're all, yeah. Oh, that silver border. I knew it wasn't going to be one of the... Man. I was hoping it was Charizard. I was hoping Charizard was coming out to play. That's alright. We still got time. He is still welcomed. Luxio, Chimchar. Come on, Beltoy. Snorunt. Sneasel to a... Come on. That's just rude. That's just rude. Throwing 2 more Pekos. What we got left? 3, 5, 7. 7 packs left. You can't be doubling up on V's. That's just a golden rule. Luxio, Gloria, Sneasel, Corefish, Magmar, Burmy, Wormadam to a Clefable. That Pikachu got me. That Pikachu really got me. I was expecting. I was like, yep, Charizard's coming. Look at how beat up that one is. Like, I don't even want to go through it. It is a Houndoom. I probably shouldn't have done that, but how are you going to do that, man? And especially on a Houndoom. Might as well just... That's wild. It's like they just don't care about the reverse slots at all. They better, because Charizard pops up in the reverse slot. That was pretty wild. I have yet to seen a Training Art Gallery be that beat up in that reverse slot. Alright, here we go. Freshwater. Duskull. Execute. Grimer. Sneasel. Corphish to it. We have pulled Moltres 3 times. Morpeko twice. Moltres 3 times. You guys are killing me right now. At least give me a rainbow. Give me the rainbow Charizard. Nope, it's going to be another Morpeko V. There, you know what? Groudle. That one's really miscut. Barry. Snorunt. No pass. Come on, Cubchoo. Didn't Tornadus. Tua. Raikou. Okay. Raikou V. Not too bad. I had to say we weren't getting enough Vs, and now absolutely destroyed with Vs. Alright, that means we're getting one more hit. One more hit in the last 3. I hope not. The way math is telling me here. What we got? Ooh, Shaman's the last one. Okay. Gosh, that one too. Just the side work is so bad. Starmie, Nose Pass, Snorunt. Come on. Cubchoo. Chimchar to it. Lapras. Lap and slap. Sorry. Sometimes I forget. Sometimes. Oh no. Oh no. It's alright. Last pack magic. We've done it how many times on this channel? Last pack magic. Alright. Weavile, Kindler, Cafe, Gollet. Come on, Chimchar. Baltoy 2. Money's Pride. Last pack magic. Not even gonna look. Oh. I accidentally looked. Like. Oh, okay. I was about to say. Really? Really? Alright. Come on, Choice Belt. Vibra. Starvia. Goldet. Cast Form. One time. Berry to an Alchemy. Well, that was a... I need to stop going with the left side first. Let's put it that way. The left side is typically the strong side. The left side is typically the strong side. Just to recap, Morpeko, Arceus, Raikou, Charizard, Honchkrow. Then we got the Dusknoir, Gyarados, Houndoom. And then we did pick up Arceus V, Barry, Shaman, and another Pikachu. But yeah, not too bad. Definitely not the greatest. Probably could have held on to it, but I mean, with how damaged the box was, I doubt anybody was going to pick it up. So, can't complain about it. I'm happy. I got to open up some more packs during the week, so till next time, y'all.